What's the deal, everybody? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Today is gonna be a good little video for y'all, you feel me? So I'm a full bolt on E85, and I'm gonna be seeing how fast, you know, how much time I can cut on my quarter mile. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'm sorry I'm wet right now, you feel me? Just got out the shower. But yeah, so y'all gonna see, man. I know for sure I'm going to be in the 11s. I know that for sure. But the only question is, how far into the 11s am I going to get? So basically, I'm going out to Milan Dragway today. I'm going to get a couple races in. But yeah, so if this is your first time watching, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Yeah, so I'll see y'all later on in the day. Hopefully I'm changed and out of this wet shirt. All right, y'all. Peace. What's the deal, y'all? It's my first cold start with E85. So I took off my wicker bill. It came out pretty easy. Just had one of these rivets. I didn't want to unscrew, so I just had to take the whole thing out. But yeah, it was pretty simple. You know, save some drag at the end of the strip, so I can get my trap speed up. And also, I took out my seats before the race, so no back seats, no passenger seat. I lowered my PSI. These are 305 45 18s on Bravado wheels. Lower my PSI to around 16 PSI. Did a decent burnout. With these tires, you really need a decent burnout for it to stick. So, you know, don't be afraid. Still got some tread, barely. I got a couple more races in it. And yeah, stock Pirelli tires for the first one. You should probably air these up above normal for less rolling resistance if you don't have skinnies in the front. And yeah, that was basically my setup for the drag strip. Basically trying to save weight savings, all that good stuff. Look at that wrap though, man. Woo. Yeah. Back to the races. This bitch so cold. yesterday afterward. But I just want to explain my races because there was a lot of issues, I'm gonna say, at the track. So firstly, my first race, I went to go do my burnout. I believe this was against that supercharged Ford truck. I went to go do my burnout, and my car like stalled or died or whatever. I don't know if it was bad E85 or whatever. I don't know what this is. I gotta talk to my tuner about that, but it basically died at the starting line. So I restarted it. You know, when stuff happens like that and you're not used to it, you kind of forget, you know, little things. So I forgot the car goes back into eco mode once it's off, and I forgot to put it back in my settings for, you know, drag races or whatever. So that run was kind of blue. I got a 12.2, I believe, and I had traction control. I had traction control on. I had a 12.2 in eco mode. So that's pretty fast for eco mode. So, you know, because my best time was a 12.1, was just a 93 tune, stock 93 tune. So yeah. And then my second race, I didn't do a burnout long enough, and I left the traction control off when I got to the line. That was my slowest run because it literally just spun the whole fucking way down. I don't care what anybody says, like, these tires do not stick like y'all think they would with traction control off. You have to be able to, you know, throttle control and all that stuff. But if you do, I found that if you do a good enough burnout and put the traction control back on, it doesn't bog down. So you still stick and go, you know what I mean? So yeah, that was another issue. But my third race, I stayed out there. It closed at 9, but I stayed out there till like 10 p.m. because I really wanted to get one good run in, because I was really disappointed. You know, full bolt on 85, like I didn't get in 11s. It's like, come on, bro. Tell me I didn't waste my money or whatever. So I stayed out there, did one more run, made sure everything was to the T, you feel me? Put traction control back on after I did my burnout. Got a good burnout, and that was my 11.8 run. So yeah, I ran at 11.8 at 115 miles per hour. So I'm satisfied with that, but for now, because I know this car can do a lot lower than that, maybe 11.7. But yeah, that's what happened basically during those races. So I mean, it is what it is, you feel me? I still got what I came for. I got my 11, and that's all that really matters. So yes, sir. So as you guys know, I am full bolt on E85. This is my tuner out in Dearborn Heights, Michigan. So let's see what these guys got me. So this is my dyno sheet. Give me a second. So this is my dyno sheet. So basically, I am officially 485 horsepower to the wheel, 514 torque to the wheel. So this is my dyno. Y'all can screenshot it or stop the video if y'all want to really look at it. So it looked like my peak RPM range would be around 4,000 maybe. Because this is my horsepower, this is the torque, I believe, or maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. I'll figure it out, but yeah, I would say around 3.5 to 4 is my peak horsepower and torque. So yeah, 485 wheel, went from 485 crank to 485 wheel with full bolt on. So yeah. Yeah, like I said, it was like around 10 o'clock, so my GoPro had died, so I didn't get a chance to actually record my 11.8 run. And my friends left because, you know, it was getting kind of late, and the track was supposed to have been closed, so they didn't stay to record the 11.8. I can show you guys my time slip right now. you know, so you don't think I'm lying or whatever. I don't know. I ain't about to get into that. But anyway, so yeah, that's my time. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Feel me? I got a lot more content coming for you guys. I know it's been some slow uploads or whatever, but I'm gonna get back into it. It's all a process, you feel me? Keep rocking with me. I'm gonna keep rocking with y'all. I'm out this thing. Peace.